Let's see. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 pounds of butter. Better make it 4 pounds. I love my Scottish dream cookies buttery.
Muriel! You seen my glasses?
No, I haven't. Did you misplace them?
Yes, I misplaced them.
Courage had better help Eustace find his glasses. Be his guide dog. We wouldn't want him to lose his way.
Get away from me! Don't need no guide dog. My glasses! Now, where'd they go? I can't see. Oh! Where? You got my glasses?
Le Quack is back.
Yow! What are you trying to do? Bust my neck?
You're right, Courage. I should make it 5 pounds of butter. I didn't notice this before. 2 ounces rare Swedish vinegar. Only available in Sweden. Oh, these are Swedish dream cookies. Now, how am I going to get to Sweden to get rare Swedish vinegar?
We don't want any.
I am Le Quack of Swedish hot air.